Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing I Am Sober and granting basic permissions. This ensures reminders and backups work. Once installed, create an account or continue as guest, then enter your quit date and select your primary goal so the app calculates streaks and triggers. Next, enable daily reminders and add an emergency contact. These features are why the app supports consistent recovery. Finally, sync to the cloud to preserve data. If you skip this step, you risk losing progress when switching devices. Now you move into active tracking. Log each craving, slip, or milestone so the app can show patterns and triggers. Use the built-in journal and tasks to create replacement routines. These help you rehearse new behaviors. Make a habit of completing daily check-ins and motivational cards because repeated exposure strengthens commitment. Once done, explore community chats and leaderboards for accountability. Engaging with peers reduces isolation and gives real-world reinforcement for staying. Finish by turning tracking into maintenance. Review trends weekly and tweak reminders, goals, or coping tasks to keep progress realistic. If you experience a slip, log it honestly and use the reset or forgiveness features to protect momentum. Relapse data helps identify triggers. For syncing problems, sign out, reinstall, or restore from a cloud backup. Export your data regularly to avoid loss. If issues persist, contact app support. Practical fixes usually restore syncing without erasing your history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.